Winter storms have covered this red fox's home in a blanket of snow 3 feet deep and hidden the rodents it usually hunts. For some animals, this might be a barrier too great to overcome, but a fox is cunning and has excellent hearing. It's trial and error. But there is one thing he can do to improve his chances. Scientists believe red foxes have a sixth sense for the same magnetic force that causes the northern lights. And they can use it to triangulate their prey's position. Pointing to the northeast, he waits for the sound of his prey to cross the angle of the magnetic field. The sweet spot. Using this technique, his hit rate increases fourfold. In January's bitter cold, it can make the difference between life and death.